Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Victoria. In today's video, you guys are gonna see this in real time because it is the 24th. So Merry Christmas Eve, and I hope that you all are staying very safe. Everyone has a happy holiday. Also, this video is just gonna be a little vlog of a couple of days that have passed that I've been kind of doing some festive stuff. But yeah, I really hope that you guys enjoy. I really hope that you guys stay safe. I am so grateful for each and every one of you, and I hope that you enjoy. Okay, hi guys. We are out and about, but we're gonna be going to Brickell City Center now, and we're a little late. But we have tickets to watch the House of Gucci, but I'll insert in this video a little like introduction to like what this video is about. But yeah, we're gonna be getting there at 7:11 and the movie starts at 7:30, but that's okay because they always play like the little commercials in the beginning. But I'm really excited to see this movie. Dad, are you excited?
Oh yes, very excited. Yeah, great.
No, but seriously though, like I'm really excited to see this movie because they're not gonna be releasing it on like HBO or Netflix, and it's gonna be 2 hours and like 30 minutes.
Wow.
So
we get coffee before we go there.
We were gonna get snacks to like put in my bag, but we don't have time for that, so we're just gonna get some snacks while we're there. But another thing is that I'm really excited to see Brickell because I'm pretty sure that in Brickell City Center that there's like a tree, and I haven't done any festive stuff, so I'm excited to see the tree, and I'll show you guys how it looks. But yeah, I'm really excited. Hopefully we get there on time. If anything, it's okay. Now you can see a little bit better. Cute. There's like nobody here since like all the like shops are closed, since it's already like 10:30. So we're gonna be giving a review on what we thought about the movie. I thought it was a really great movie. Dad?
It was an excellent movie. We recommend it. It's characters, everything is good.
The makeup was really like
Makeup.
the actors, like I was
that it's all in a true story, based on a true story. That's all.
Yeah.
Incredible.
Great. And
Gabriela, character with all the makeup and everything that they did. So what they did for his character was awesome.
yeah, it was really good. Well, we're here and the bridge is up, so we'll have to wait a little bit, but we're just gonna be driving around Brickell just because we never really come here, so why not? And yeah. Okay, hi guys. So today I'm gonna be going to Kami's apartment, and we're just gonna be having a very like festive night. Again, this video is just gonna be very festive, so, and it's also gonna be very like cozy. We were gonna do like lounge kind of wear, but like I don't even have cute lounge wear. But either way, very cozy vibes. Also, I don't really have like Christmas PJs, so we're sticking with this. But yeah, I'm just wearing like this nice little sweater and just some leggings, and then I'm just gonna be putting on some like white shoes that I have. But first I'm gonna be going to Trader Joe's to pick up some stuff for a cheese board, and then we can head over to her apartment. But yeah, first stop is to go to Trader Joe's, so let's go do that. Yeah, I'm really excited for tonight. We're gonna be doing a lot of festive things, and yeah. Also, update on my room is that I finally built the drawers under my bed, so now it looks good with everything. And also my dad helped me put like the mirror a little bit like higher, so now I can actually, you know, see. It looks like a lot better when I'm standing right here. But yeah, let's go to Trader Joe's, get some stuff, and yeah. Okay, I am at Kami's apartment. Okay, so we're gonna show you the rundown that we have going because we're gonna be doing our Christmas festivities. finals are over. We're done.
We're graduated, or half of us are graduated.
So it's time for the Christmas festivities. I don't even feel like it's Christmas. It's gonna be Christmas.
It's literally next week.
Yeah, we haven't even done anything. Okay, well, I haven't done anything.
I've done maybe one thing. It's not enough, but okay.
Okay, let me show you guys what I got from Trader Joe's. Oh, I'll show you guys the setup. We have a couple of things here. Okay, let me show you guys what I got from Trader Joe's, because we still need to like set up. I think this angle might work. Okay, so let me show you guys what I got. Okay, this is for me for later. Okay, I bought this because I was like, oh, so we could try something to drink. The sparkling grapefruit water.
That's really good.
So we could try this out. Yeah, okay. And then these are my favorite pita bite crackers for the cheese board. Love. And I got 2 of those. And then this is my favorite cheese. It's like a soft cheese. I feel like this is kind of like Monster cheese. So I didn't want to. Yeah, I didn't want to get like this and Monster because it's like the same thing. Yeah. And then I wanted to get the brie bites, but they didn't have. So I just got this brie. I've never tried this, so we'll try it. Okay, time to make the cheese board.
Yummy.
Tommy, are you doing us a tour?
I'm giving you a tour. These are the chess pieces.
So here we have Melanie, and we're gonna be having just a chill night, and we're gonna be baking some cookies. We have a little set
I don't know how to put. I think I should get like the other thing to put the cookies inside.
Side? Okay, yeah, we'll get it. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, here's our little setup because we're gonna be using this little thing, and then we'll just make a little bit more later. Okay, so we have some cookies, but we're making some more now. And then I'm gonna be making some hot chocolate. Okay.
This is like the instructions like here.
Oh wait, I forgot. We have to put this first. You put it first, right?
Yeah, empty. Okay. I can just. Oh, I can.
Okay. I was saying I really want to try the little bombs.
Oh my god, yes.
Yes.
I don't know how to make them though.
Or like the ones that are from the store.
Oh. I was like, oh, how do you make them? You're like, you mean the ones that are made?
Okay, so these are the cookies. The cookies are so good, and the hot chocolate. Okay, Melanie, review.
Review. We're ready to try it?
Oh yeah, we'll try. We'll try for the cam. Okay, wait. Let me set you guys up.
Which one are we gonna try?
So we're gonna try one for you guys.
Which one are you gonna try?
Do you want to do this one?
Yeah, that's
okay. Wait, do you wanna? I do one, or you do one, or half?
Whichever one.
Oh, you go.
Yeah. They're kind of broken. Oh, it's fine.
Okay, that one's a little. Oh, that one's a little broken.
No, it's fine. I'll just try it like that.
Okay.
Okay,
Wait. Hold on. I think we did this in the last vlog. Cheers. Super good. Super good.
As if we haven't tried it.
Okay. Okay. Emily.
Oh my god, that's so cute.
This is the end of this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, you guys already know. And most importantly, I hope that everyone stays safe this holidays and just enjoy their time with their family. And yeah, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.